What's up, guys? GNCRC back once again. We got another unboxing, guys. This is stuff from about maybe a week and a half or so, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know, but I ordered quite a bit of stuff the weekend before this weekend, and I'm just now getting around to it. Been very, very busy with work, but I'm gonna jump right into this, guys. Guys, check the link below if you want to check out some cool knives. I don't know what's what, but this is the first one we're gonna start with. So this is sandpaper. I got a bunch of sandpaper because I'm about to start doing hard bodies. Oh, these are new tips for my solder gun. I needed some thin tips because my tips were kind of messed up. And I really got these just to vent my tires. I know that might sound crazy, but I got these to vent my tires. Let's see here. Oh, this is clear coat. So I couldn't find the 2K. Well, I found the 2K, but at the place I was about to get it at, they said it was going to cost me about $140, $150 to mix it up. I was going to get automotive paint. There was a suggestion by Mass, but I just went ahead and went with this. So we're going to test this out and see how this goes. More clear coat, guys, by Spaz Stix. But from what I understand, this is only for mirror chrome. I don't know if you guys can see that. I found that out shortly after I ordered it, so I will be sending this back. Oh, this is from McCue. I'll put a link in the description as well. So you see we have the extension for the rear of the FXX24, and he also threw me a bumper in and steering linkage. So make sure you guys stay tuned and check out that video as well. So these parts are from Fusion 3D. I finally got these in. These are to make the Panda Hobby Tetra 24 perform better. So stay tuned for a video on that. You guys know what this is. This is from Burner. You guys know Burner account on Instagram. These are the dopey ropes. I think I'm calling that name right. I picked out the color and I got this in about 3 days, guys. I'll be showing you guys how this works at some point as well if you hadn't seen, but make sure you go over and follow his page. So I got, of course, a black. It's gonna be a backer, and you can use it for black as well. I got a fire red, red pearl, and I got a candy blue as well. We're gonna be using this pretty soon. I bought these a while ago, guys, and I actually forgot I had them. These are the Baja Pro X. This is from Heli Direct. A bunch of you guys been hearing me talking about this. Something I was going to do pretty soon. This is the Atomic DRZ2. This is a drift car. We'll get around to opening this up and doing a video on this at some point. These are the deep dish wheels by Injora. So I decided to go ahead and grab a set of these. Can't really tell on camera, but these are deep dish. Pretty cool. Don't know what rig I'm gonna put them on, but we'll be using them soon. Yep, been having so many problems with mail. This is the first set of flubber wells I ordered from Carruthers, and he went ahead. I placed another order, and he went ahead and sent these out. So I'm gonna reach back out to him, see if he want me to PayPal him the money for these, because these were ordered in March, and I got them about 2 weeks ago. I remember when I got this box about 2 weeks ago. But of course, show you guys this stuff comes very well packaged. This is the same thing I had on the first order. He did give us 2 of these to try on our indoor course, and he always give you some candy. Oh, I know what this is, but I actually got the wrong one. This is to run through my airbrush, but this is for water-based airbrush. And although I got some watercolors, I might use it. I might keep it. I don't know. I've been talking about these for a while. I've been telling you guys how I'm about to be a little bit more serious in the craft, in this hobby. So I got these because I think these will help me take my crawlers and some of my other RCs to the next level. So stay tuned. We'll be doing a video on this pretty soon. I don't know at what point, but we got a ton of videos that I can do. And it's just time right now. Time's the thing. We got a lift system for my garage that I'll be building pretty soon, so you guys stay tuned. You'll see video on this pretty soon as well. Well, I'm saying pretty soon. I don't know when, but you'll see video on this as well. I thought that was the last one, but actually this is another one. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one, let you guys see what we have. I'm sure this is the last one. These are from RCAWD, Lifted Custom RC. I ended up getting a set of wheels from these guys. These are called a Snowflake. They're like really deep. Make sure you stay tuned to see what I'm gonna do with these as well. Alright guys, so thanks for tuning in. Thanks for always checking out the videos, and make sure you guys stay tuned because we got a whole lot coming, guys. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.